In this video I'm going to show you how to scan Snapcode from your camera roll. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up your Snapchat. There hit at your Bitmoji at the top left corner to open up your profile page. Now here hit on gear icon to open up settings, and there scroll all the way down until you find Snapcodes. And here you can use these two features, scan history or scan from camera roll. I'll select the second one and it opens up your camera roll gallery, and there you can hit on saved Snapcode. Now you see that Snapcode was scanned, and now I am able to add this person as a friend. I hit add, and that's it, the person added as a friend. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.